If you're trying to quit smoking, nicotine patches are a well-established and effective quit smoking aid when used correctly. Using the patch properly can make a big difference in how well it works. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Choose a clean, dry, and hair-free area of the skin on your upper body. Make sure that your skin isn't irritated and skip lotions or moisturizers on the area. They can mess with the stickiness of the patch. Step 2. Remove the patch from the package. Peel off the protective liner just like a sticker. Try not to touch the sticky side. Step 3. Immediately apply the patch to your skin and press firmly for a few seconds to ensure it sticks well. The patch will release nicotine throughout the day and get absorbed through your skin. Step 4. Wash your hands with water after handling the patch to remove any nicotine that may be on your hands. If your patch is not sticking well to your skin, you can try securing the patch with medical tape. Gently apply a strip of tape over the edges of the patch. Another option is to use an armband. Just wrap it around the area where the patch is, and it will help hold it securely in place throughout the day. The patch should be applied once per day, usually immediately after waking up. Keep the patch on for up to 24 hours or as directed by your healthcare provider. Switch spots daily to avoid irritating your skin. Your skin will thank you. After 24 hours, peel off the old patch, fold it in half, sticky sides together, and throw it away in a safe place, away from pets and other people. You are taking a huge step toward gaining control of your health. Quitting can be tough, but the use of patch may make it easier to quit and stay quit. For more details, including possible side effects, check out the pamphlet that comes with your patch.